Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make big chocolate. First, select your preferred chocolate, ensuring it's good quality for a rich taste. Gently melt the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring frequently. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can cause the chocolate to become grainy or seize. Proper melting is crucial for a smooth, glossy finish. Next, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You'll need a large, clean mold, a heat-proof bowl, and a sturdy spatula. Plan for at least 500 grams of your chosen chocolate to create a substantial bar. For extra flavor and texture, consider adding delicious inclusions such as chopped nuts, dried fruits, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. Tempering is key for a professional-looking, snap-able chocolate bar. Follow a reliable tempering method to achieve a glossy finish and prevent blooming. Once tempered, carefully pour the smooth chocolate into your large mold, filling it evenly. Gently tap the mold on your counter a few times to remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a solid bar. Patience is important for the final step. Let your chocolate cool completely and set at room temperature, which can take several hours for a large bar. Avoid the refrigerator, as rapid cooling can lead to a dull finish or condensation. Once fully set, carefully demold your impressive, homemade big chocolate bar. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.